What if beautiful wood wall art didn't require loud tools, expensive equipment, or advanced skills? Many people assume woodworking always means power saws and complex setups, but some of the most striking pieces come from simple methods and thoughtful design. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're exploring DIY wood wall art that shines using only basic tools and creative vision. Wood wall art works because it combines texture, warmth, and natural beauty. Even simple pieces can feel expressive when patterns, spacing, and grain direction are considered. Without power tools, the focus shifts away from speed and toward intention. Every cut, placement, and detail feels more deliberate. This style of wall art is especially approachable. It can be created in small spaces with minimal setup and at your own pace. That makes it perfect for beginners, renters, or anyone who wants to create something meaningful without a full workshop. The designs themselves can be incredibly versatile. Geometric layouts using repeated wooden strips create rhythm and balance. Layered panels add depth and shadow. Minimalist arrangements highlight natural grain and color variation. Even simple framed wood compositions can feel modern and artistic when kept clean and uncluttered. One of the most powerful elements of tool-free wood art is texture. Sanded surfaces, raw edges, and subtle imperfections give each piece character. Instead of hiding marks, the design embraces them. This creates wall art that feels organic and authentic rather than manufactured. Another advantage is flexibility. Pieces can be scaled up or down depending on wall space. A small panel works beautifully above a desk or shelf. A larger arrangement becomes a focal point in a living room or hallway. The same concept adapts easily to different rooms and styles. Finishing choices play a key role in how the artwork feels. Natural oils bring out warmth and grain. Light stains add contrast without overpowering the design. Even unfinished wood can look striking when arranged thoughtfully. The finish doesn't need to be complex to feel complete. These projects are also ideal for creative expression. Patterns can be symmetrical or freeform. Lines can be sharp or soft. Spacing can be tight or open. Each choice changes the mood of the piece. That freedom makes every project feel personal. If you enjoy simple woodworking ideas that focus on creativity rather than complexity, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. Supporting the channel helps us continue sharing accessible projects that turn simple materials into meaningful results. What makes this type of wall art especially satisfying is the transformation. Basic wood pieces become something expressive and decorative. The result feels intentional, calm, and timeless. It proves that skill is not always about tools, but about design and patience. DIY wood wall art without power tools invites more people into the craft. It shows that woodworking can be quiet, creative, and approachable. And it reminds us that sometimes the simplest methods produce the most beautiful results. Thanks for spending time with Craft Catalog. Stay inspired and keep creating.